Namaste, this is Dr. Suresh Vannapuri here. I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner and I'm a postgraduate in Ayurveda. I practice Nadi Pariksha since almost 20 years now and different parts of the cities in the European country. Now we are going to do a workshop on Nadi Pariksha, which is divided into two parts. One is the theory portion on April 10th and the practical orientation program on April 28th in Budapest. The first part goes like this. So we are going to discuss about the Nadi Pariksha, its history, its definition, and how does it evolved since many centuries, thousands of years in India. And what is Nadi Pariksha exactly mean? Nadi Pariksha is the pulse diagnostic technique which is usually done for the second year students who has got basic education in Ayurveda, already understands the basics, therapeutic principles of Ayurveda like dosha, dhatu, mala, agni and all those things. Nadi Pariksha is a unique technology to diagnose a disease. Those days there was no MRI, there was no scanners, but our ancient masters used to do with the three fingers. The diagnostic methods have been examined with the three fingers. What are the things which you're going to see in the Nadi Pariksha? Basically, Vata Pitta Kapha we are discussing regularly. We are not going to see it nakedly, right? So these are not examined by the microscopic level or MRI or ultrasound scans. So what is the alternative mechanism? What is the alternative diagnostic methods Ayurveda explained? This is with the three fingers. So this is known as pulse diagnostic methods or Nadi Pariksha, which evaluate the different changes in the body, in the different systems and organs in the body. Most importantly, the Prakriti, constitution we are going to explore in this level. So mostly what we are doing is the 5 levels of Nadi Pariksha has been explored in this topic which I'm going to discuss today. The most of the 5 levels are explained in theory portions on April 10th online. And for the workshop, the live workshop, we will be discussing in another video about this workshop. We are going to discuss in different video. And in that video, I will going to explain how do we explore the practically in the practical workshop on April 28th. Thank you very much.